The integration of advanced technology here at Apex is really setting us apart in the industry. Farmers have had to deal with soil conditions and challenges for many years, the scarcity of water, the bureaucracy of government, and the oversight on the farmer themselves. So we are innovating new technologies and products to help them improve soil structure. The end result is ROI and dollars in their pocket.
The partnership between Greystone and Apex started here on this ranch in Madera. We had a big problem with iron bacteria and, biologicals in the water. Other companies, were struggling. Apex came in and they were able to help us solve that issue.
We're centered right smack dab in the hub of agriculture in the San Joaquin Valley.
I think that helps out a lot because of the efficiency that we're able to get product to the customers quickly.
Their customer service, you don't get a lot of companies that will come around and check your fields every week.
Most of us that work here are all from the farming community. We can relate really well with customers, and I think they enjoy that.
Great people to work with.
The future of Apex is bright. We're changing on a daily basis ourselves to help our customers be better. We're helping growers be more efficient with their water, which ultimately allows them to do more with less.